Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. So DOT is still moving in this price channel. It's a corrective price channel and we're still overall forming lower lows and lower highs. Here, the price now has a chance to turn around. The move from the low could be considered a 5-wave move up. The wave count to the downside isn't exactly full, so we might see one more low. But I think I mentioned it in yesterday's videos. If you watched yesterday's videos, some of them, then you know that or you will remember probably that I explained that crypto corrections often finish without that last leg down. But you never know, really. I mean, that makes crypto a little bit more difficult to trade, to predict. Sometimes these last moves down only get a 3-wave move down. So that means the 4-5 is hidden somewhere. Okay, so maybe it's like that, you know, maybe the wave 4 was just very small, or it is a so-called WXY structure, which is a correction or a form of a correction which is a little bit more complex, which means in a WXY we have 3 waves in wave W, 3 waves in wave X, 3 waves in wave Y. So that is a little bit more of a complex correction, because then the Y wave is an ABC in itself, and so on. So I don't want to get too much into the theory part here, but that would be it, you know. But you cannot trust that pattern because it isn't the most common form of a correction. So we need to see more evidence if that's the case. And what I wanted to see was a break above resistance. We've seen that, so we have a first indication that a low could be in, but yesterday's low must hold then, right? I mean, if we say a reversal is unfolding now, then in this pullback now that we see here from the intraday high, a higher low must form. So that means the invalidation point for the idea we could have bottomed is located at $6.05. I don't see, I mean, let's say officially, formally, I don't see anything in here that would confirm strongly that a low has formed. All I see is a slight break above resistance and a possible micro 5-wave move up, and the 5-wave move up could indicate we have bottomed, but the price needs to prove that by now holding a higher low. So it's essentially a little bit of there's a little bit of uncertainty there now if we've bottomed or not. The entire market is currently sort of moving between yesterday's low and today's high, and we're just waiting for a little bit of a decision. What I also wanted to see was a break above the upper boundary line of the trend channel. So breaking out of this corrective price channel could indicate we've bottomed. That would be the next step to confirm that. And the overall support area here for a 4th wave pullback is located between 577 and 660. So overall, even if we get one more low, that's okay. But I really don't want to see more than one more low. Yeah, or we would have to reinterpret the chart on the larger time frame. So yeah, that's just a quick update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.